If you're trying to decide between Peltarion versus Databricks for your machine learning needs, you're in the right place. Both platforms offer unique features, but which one is truly the best fit for your goals? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which AI platform offers the better machine learning solutions for your specific use case. Let's start by looking at Peltarion. One of the first things you'll notice is its emphasis on democratizing AI and making machine learning accessible for everyone. Peltarion allows teams to build AI models without needing deep coding expertise. The platform is incredibly user-friendly, with an interface designed to make the machine learning workflow as seamless as possible. This is great if you have a team that's more focused on results than on the technical aspects of model building. Next thing to consider with Peltarion is its focus on operationalization. Peltarion has a strong offering when it comes to deploying AI models at scale. You can easily integrate them into production, which is essential for businesses that need reliable AI solutions in real-world applications. But while it's great for deployment, Peltarion lacks some advanced customization options, which might limit more experienced teams looking for deep control over their models. On the other hand, we have Databricks, which brings something a bit different to the table. One of its key strengths is its deep integration with Apache Spark. This gives Databricks a powerful edge when dealing with big data. If you're working with large datasets, Databricks allows you to scale your machine learning models efficiently. It's also designed for teams that want flexibility and customizability. You have more control over the entire data pipeline and model creation process, which is fantastic for developers and data scientists who need to push the boundaries of their machine learning projects. The fourth thing to note is Databricks collaboration features. It's built with teams in mind, offering tools that allow developers, data scientists, and engineers to work together seamlessly. If you have a diverse team of experts working on complex AI projects, Databricks is a fantastic choice for its real-time collaboration and sharing capabilities. However, this also means it's not the best platform for those who are just starting out with AI, as the learning curve can be steep. So, what's the catch with both of these platforms? Well, as easy as Peltarion is to use, it's not as powerful when it comes to handling larger, more complex datasets. Databricks, on the other hand, can be overwhelming for those without significant technical experience. It's also worth mentioning that Databricks can get expensive when you need a full range of features and scalability. Now, here's the thing. Both of these platforms are great in their own right, but if you want a machine learning solution that balances ease of use with powerful functionality, there's another alternative worth considering. I've tried all of them myself, and after testing Peltarion and Databricks, I found a better solution that offers the best of both worlds: powerful customization with a user-friendly interface. If you want to see the best alternative for machine learning that can save you time and hassle while providing a robust set of tools, make sure you check out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits only offered to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take action now, and let's get your AI projects off the ground with the right platform.